Cresta Shopping Centre is one of the largest shopping malls in South Africa with over 100,000 square meters of fashion, entertainment and food. It has grown into a Johannesburg shopping and leisure hub and now boasting over 260 stores and almost 30,000 shoppers every day. Cresta was built back in 1977 and it has undergone through several times of remodeling and expansion ever since. As almost 40 years old building, the previous chill water system was very outdated and rusted. The cooling towers were leaking and the overall energy efficiency was low. This obviously led high operational cost as well as water wastage.
The center caters for varied tenant spaces, including retail shops, offices, clinics, cinemas, food court and large atriums. Hence, internal environmental conditions requirements are diverse. In proposing a solution for the upgrade, a flexible system had to be implemented that would allow for individual supply as well as grouping of spaces with the same indoor conditions to be supplied from one air conditioning system. We should also be capable of adjusting supply if need be in the future to extend or reduce space boundaries. The system also had to be able to be integrated onto the BMS system that was existing at the center. An on-site full-scale investigation was conducted to inspect the existing HVAC installation. Proposals comparing chilled water system and multi-V DX air handling units were prepared, and multi-V was favored as it was the better energy efficient and smart system which required less maintenance at the same time.
The units were designed and assembled in such a way that they resemble rooftop package units. We call them Eco Package, which includes high efficiency of a VRF combined with air handling units for large spaces as a set. With the ultimate inverter scroll compressor, LG's VRF Multi-V delivers the optimum efficiency during full load, at peak hours and also partial load at other times. Also, auto dust removal function of Multi-V removes dust automatically from the outdoor heat exchanger and maintains performance consistently, securing reliability.
It can be challenging to regulate pleasant airflow within these big and open areas like atriums or halls in the shopping mall. Air handling units along with Multi-V provide large air volume and precise temperature control. With the LG Air Handling Unit Communication Kit and Dry Contact, it is not only easy to connect LG VRF with any DX air handling unit and control the required parameters, it also alerts us if there's a problem. Then the system stops immediately while alerting the facility management team by generating an alarm.
LG also offered a complete integration with BMS through LG ACP BACnet Gateway. This allows a client to effectively manage equipment of various types, including the HVAC system.
LG offered a complete solution for shopping mall with cooling, heating, using the same system, thus saving a huge expense on boilers and its fixtures. The energy efficiency of Multi-V reduced the expenses to be paid on energy by 32% compared to the previous system. In addition, the flexible integrated control of HVAC system through BMS really assists us greatly as it is easy to monitor, control and manage all the shopping center air conditioning with an easy user interface. We are extremely happy and satisfied with the project results.
LG is on with a service call center and always ready to support our clients whenever needed with dedicated resources. In addition, we have expanded our warehouse with almost 95% of service parts availability so that we can respond with immediate action within 48 hours for major cities in South Africa.
LG's technical support team was always there whenever we needed them, which helped us to design this flawless system in the iconic space. LG has proved that LG's technology in HVAC systems has been leading the industry with a number of actual reference cases of commercial buildings in many countries. There was no doubt which brand to choose.